How to export and save photo with high quality on Lightroom app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Lightroom and now let's say that you just finished editing your photo like this one and you want to save it with high quality. All what you have to do is simple. Go to the top here, click on this little icon. Click here on export as. After you click export as, now choose your file type. I recommend you to choose DNG if you want, but you can choose JPG too. Now after you click on JPG, now click on quality right here and make sure it's 100% as you can see, and click on dimensions and make sure it's on largest available dimensions. Yes, and after you finish, go to the top corner and click save. So easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.